And I think if there's anything I'm taking from all of this, it's not that you should just rush into everything or ignore your thoughts, but that you shouldn't let fear or the need for approval be the thing that stops you. If there's something that's been sitting on your heart, something that keeps coming back to you, maybe it's worth paying attention to. It's worth taking a step towards it, even if it's small, imperfect, and even if you're still figuring it out. You don't have to have everything together to begin. You don't even have to be fully confident. You just have to be willing to move a little differently than you did before. And I'm saying that as someone who's still learning to do the same.